folks, welcome to this new video. So today we'll discuss some topics about fractal geometry. We'll try to make quick breakdown for the gold chart lately, what happened lately on the gold chart and how we have predicted this using fractal geometry. So first of all, the thing that we need to understand that when we are trying to trade with fractal geometry, will not work with the chart in this way, okay? Why? Because right here you don't have enough data on this chart. So don't try to zoom in this way and try to find the fractal. You will not find anything, okay? Always when you trade with fractal geometry, you need to zoom out in this way, okay? This is how you should look to the chart on the first place. Is whenever you have doubt, zoom out, okay? So the same thing with fractal geometry. Whenever you have just zoom out and the big picture will be more clear, okay? So this is the first thing. Then come to this area right here. We have already talked about this model many times on the YouTube channel and also on the meetings that we have made on the public channel. Right here we have a TCW model, okay? So here we have the child wave and mother wave. This is the geometric structure of this model, okay? In this way. So right here when we take the fractal, we need first of all to focus on the self-similarity, okay? So as a self-similarity, we have this uptrend self-similar to this uptrend, and then this downtrend with this particular shape right here, and then the same thing right here with this particular shape right here, okay? So this is a valid TCW model. So when we take the copy of the fractal from the low to the high in this way, and then we'll scale our fractal in this way. Here, this is an important topic. Many people send questions about swing trading. Can I trade with higher time frames using fractal geometry? Okay, so if you focus right here using this model, and as you can see, it's a valid self-similarity, we'll be able to take a long position from this level right here to target this level right here. Okay, so fractal geometry, you don't need to go to the 1 hour time frame, okay, and analyze on the 1 hour time frame to catch huge movements in this way, okay? You don't need this, okay? Just on the 1 minute time frame, you can catch all this movement in this way, okay? So, of course, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, right here, we'll not dive in deep with this model right here, but right here, even this one can confirm the entry from here, okay? When we scale this one, we need to make sure that the high with the high right here, so this is the high. So when we put the high with the high right here and the low with the low, from the 1 hour right here will confirm our entry level right here, okay? So we don't need to go to the 1 hour time frame to catch swing trades. Also on the 1 minute time frame we can do the same thing, okay? Why? Because right here we have an effect of scale, okay? When we take a fractal we scale it, okay? So we don't need to go to the 1 hour or 10 hours. Of course you can analyze on any time frame, but I would always prefer to do it on lower time frames, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, because it's more easier and it's more clear, okay? So that we'll discuss is the self-similarity, okay? Because there are a lot of questions about self-similarity. When you have on the chart something in this way, for example, a downtrend that is self-similar to another downtrend in this way, and right here you have an uptrend, okay? It doesn't mean that right here you will have wrong position. You will not buy from here. This is wrong. Sometimes it will happen, sometimes it will not happen. Okay? So this is not how to trade the self-similarity, okay? You need to have models that connect the self-similarity together so you can trade them, okay? Like for example the L in one direction or the TCW model, or I don't know, for example the Y model, or any of the models, okay, that we have discussed on the channel before. But just to pullbacks, they are self-similar like this, it doesn't mean that the price will go up, okay, to break the high. Let's see an example about this because we have received a lot of questions asking about this strategy before. So, for example, right here, what many people will do, we see that this pullback right here is similar to this one. Every detail, okay, it's similar to this one. So what they will think that they will be able to take a long position from this level right here to target this high. Why? Because right here they think that after this pullback we have pushed to the upside to break this high, so it will be the same thing right here. As you can see right here, the price didn't go higher, the price go lower and hit the stop loss. So this is not the right way to approach the markets, okay? I will repeat it for the last time. If you have a pullback similar to a bigger one, it doesn't mean that you will be able to take a long position from here. There is no scientific or there is no method that can help you to trade such a self-similarity on the markets, okay? You need to have a model, you need to have a geometric structure to connect the self-similarity together, okay? Like for example, this one right here. Right here you have different models. You have, for example, this L in one direction right here in this way. What you have done when you take this L in one direction, you connect these pullbacks together, okay? You connect the self-similarity. So when you scale the fractal now, you will be able to have your long position from here to target this level, okay? Also, right here you have the Y model in this level that will give you possibility to go short from here, okay? And also we have right here another L in one direction, this level. You scale it in this way, you will be able to take a long position right here. You have another time an L in one direction right here. When you scale it, you will be able also to take a long position with this particular shape right here to target this level right here, okay? And of course you have the big wave in this way. So when you scale this one, you will be also able to take a long position from these levels right here, okay? So you see, right here on the same chart, okay? On the same trend right here, what we have a fractal from this high, another fractal from this high, another fractal from this high, Y model from this high right here. So every high on the chart and every low on the chart has a potential fractal, okay? So it's not that hard thing to learn. You need just to know how to deal with the models, okay? How to connect self-similar movements together, okay? Not the wrong way, of course, as we have explained in this way another time. It doesn't mean that the price can go up from here. This is wrong. You will see sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work, but most of the time it will not work, okay? So please pay attention to these ideas. I hope you have get some knowledge from this video. See you next time. Goodbye.